Hey tubes, this is one of two that I picked up at the same place. They were just getting rid of it. They said it ran, you know, that famous last saying, it ran last year. But got this one and that one over there at a little 20-inch Murray. And this is a 21-inch yard machines, both with a Briggs Classic. They're gonna go ahead and go through them, try to get them going. This should be pretty simple. As you can see, my garage is kind of full again. I just posted the Toro with the Tecumseh engine. Honda is still governor issues. Craftsman, I haven't got into it. It's still leaking oil from the crank or somewhere. Parts are on order for this one here. That's a Toro with a Kohler. And this one I got yesterday. I got it going. Need to order gas cap and air filter box cover. Gas caps for this thing are like 10 bucks. My gosh. Anyway, and I need to change the oil. So, what this video is going to be on is this here yard machine with the Briggs Classic. Let's go. Typically with these, all I need to do is empty the gas tank, perhaps change a primer and or diaphragm, change the oil, sharpen the blade, and send it on its way. So basic tune-up. Oil in this one is really good. I just need to top it off. It's if you can see it, it's about right there. Power washing these, and this is after. Underneath the deck was really good. Underneath, on both of them, both that one and that one over there. So let's first I gotta take this gas tank off. I'm gonna take the air filter off and just go from there. The primer is still pliable. I'll probably try to clean that up, this primer a little bit, but we'll go from there. Let's see. Now I did power wash this, so this is going to be all wet probably from it. Oh man, this is good. Let me just I'll just dry this off, set it outside, and re-oil this. Well, maybe not. It's already got oil in it. This is a this has been replaced. The Briggs ones are yellow. This is probably a Stens or something. So and it still has the gasket over here for it. I just looked down on the floor, and what did I see? This is a needle for a Briggs. How the heck did this get here? I mean, I worked on a lawnmower yesterday, and I didn't take the float off, so I don't know how this got here. Well, so this has probably never been off, so. Oh gosh. That one's on tight. So, gotta get my extendable 1/4 inch. There we go. So I've taken off the 1/2 inch bolt here, the 3/8 here, and I'm just gonna pull this off, and then undo the linkage to get the gas tank. Gonna go clean this out and go from there. Inside the gas tank there is something that resembles gas, but there's also, I think, some debris in there. I can hear it. I'm gonna go clean this out. This is something interesting I've never seen before. After I was draining the gas tank, I could hear something in it, rattling inside the gas tank. And then, well, this popped out. Well, if you ever worked on one of these, you know what this is. This is the pickup tube that goes here in the carburetor. So that means this carburetor's got to have to come off the tank. To get the carburetor off of one of these, you use it's got 5 screws here all the way around. And I'm going to take the breather off and then put it back on the mower. So to get these like 5 perimeter screws, and then this will pop out. And here we go. This is interesting. So going through my box of Briggs classic carb stuff. Used to have gas tanks in there. I've used them all. I found this other carburetor that's appears to be good and is similar to the one here that had, but it already has this on it. I'm not going to bother trying to push the other one back in because I don't know if there's just something wrong with it. So I'm just going to take this one and put it in. I'll grab a diaphragm and put it on here. Inside the gas tank looks really clean. What I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully peel off this diaphragm that was on it and stick it on for this one. Okay, just gonna put that here. It goes on like this. Let me see if I can make this bigger for you. It goes on like this. This diaphragm still looks good, so I don't see a reason to replace it right now. So I'm just gonna line up the holes, put this carburetor on. It is clean inside. Oh, darn it. This is see that B there? That means this one's bad. I think I had a problem with this one and it didn't want to work. Have to go with this one. I'll have to clean this one up a little bit. So I have transferred everything over. I had to transfer this piece, the screen, because what was on here wasn't good. This one, the primer bulb, still good. So we'll just put this on and see how it goes. So maybe this one was being thrown out because, was getting rid of because they couldn't get it to run because pickup tube was had come disconnected. I'm sure I could just jam that in there, back in there, but I don't want to take the risk of it having to come off again. I'll investigate that later. Since I got a good one here, we'll just go with this. These back on, it's simple. Just don't forget to put the breather on to here. You take the linkage, make sure your O-ring and retainer is here. Hook up the linkage like that. Hook up the breather and push. Now you just gotta put the bolts in.
So start with this one, and then we got one in front here. See if I can. That's the wrong size. That's the one I need. This.
Now, you should just have to put gas in it, and it should be good to go. And that will be it. I will top off the oil and sharpen the blade for, you know, sanity's sake. And air filter's good. Let's go see if this puppy runs. As you saw there, it ran. So just gotta sharpen the blade, add some oil, put the air filter back on. That'll be it.